This is a look. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little hair tutorial, first impressions for you. So I'm sure you all have seen the Robe Heatless curls going around. They went super viral on TikTok, and I thought I would give them a try on my short hair because I've been seeing so many people with really long hair trying it, and I decided to give it a shot and see, don't mind my cats back here, to see if it works on a short hair. So if you're interested in that, be sure to stick around to the end to see the results on my short hair. So obviously we're going to need a robe tie, and then I also have some oil here that I'm going to put in my hair. This is the Rose hair and body oil. And when doing a heatless hairstyle, it is very important to, he acts like I've never filmed before. It is very important to add some kind of frizz taming product before you go in with the heatless style, because when you use hot tools, you obviously get the heat from the tool, which will help tame your frizz. But when you're not using any heat, you don't have anything to help you with that. So heatless styles are very prone to being frizzy. So I always like to go in with some oil or any other frizz taming products. Today I'm obviously using the Rose hair and body oil, and I'm just going to squirt this all over the room apparently. I'm just going to use one pump and just focus it on mainly my ends, and then with the additional product go in through the rest of my hair. And my hair is dry now, so I'm just going to give it a few sprays. I don't want it to be too wet that it won't dry overnight, but also not too dry that it won't form the curls. I'm going to start by parting my hair slightly off to the side, not dead center. You can obviously part your hair wherever you would like, but keep in mind that if you part your hair off to one side, whatever side has more hair, the curls are going to be bigger. And so for instance, this side, my curls are going to come out a little bit bigger than they will on this side, so that is something to keep in mind. Also, sorry if you hear a low rumbling sound, that is my AC, and it is like 80 something degrees here today, and living in a camper, there is absolutely no way I am turning off my AC, because otherwise it'll end up for 100 degrees in here, and nobody wants that. I'm just going to take the robe tie, obviously, and place it on top of my head. And now I know that all the girls with the long hair start about here, and then they just, but since I have short hair, I'm going to do this a little differently, and I'm going to place it towards the front of my head. And now just gonna start winging it. I'm also going to be following this pattern, so instead of going down, I'm going towards the back of my head, and then pick up more hair and twist over the robe, and then once again picking up more hair and repeating all the way down. Realized I forgot to part off the back, so just doing that really quick. And this was a fail. Okay, I need to take bigger sections. We're learning here, guys, we're learning. And that's gonna be it for this side. So I obviously don't want all of this hanging down. I'm just going to, I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to twist the end around the ends of my hair because they're trying to escape already. But first, I'm gonna give it a nice spray because my hair still was not very wet when I started. And now I'm just going to twist this around the ends like I said. And I'm okay with this little bit hanging out because that'll just add some personality to the curls. And now I'm going to take an Invisibobble and tie this off. And this side dried quite a bit, so I'm just going to once again give it a nice little spray. I will also be spraying this side after I get all the twists in like I did with the first side. So same as the other side, taking a pretty generous section to start and wrap it around the rope, around the tie. I don't know what to call this. And adding more hair, and then just going to repeat to the ends. And then once again, give it a nice spray. And I'm also going to twist this around the ends again. I'm not really sure how it will be sleeping with this big bunch, but we'll see. And now we wait. So I will come back tomorrow morning and show you the results. See you then. It is now the next morning, so as you can probably tell, my hair does not look the exact same as yesterday, and that is because I decided it probably wasn't going to be comfortable sleeping with the robe belt bunched up right here, so I just untwisted it and then tied them off again. And as you can see, I had it placed on top of my head while I slept, and it really wasn't that uncomfortable to sleep with this in. So that's a plus. Now it is time for the moment of truth to see how the curls turned out. Okay. I mean, it's actually pretty cute. I was kind of skeptical of how this was going to look, but yeah, this is definitely gonna be a heatless curl routine that I'm going to be using a lot more. I might try a few different ways of how I place the robe belt on my head, maybe double it over, and then you could get even bigger curls. Yeah, I might have to just keep experimenting with the robe belt and see how many different ways we can curl our hair while using it. So let me know in the comments if that's something you'd like to see. I really enjoyed filming this video. I really wasn't expecting the curls to turn out as well as they did. These are pretty flawless. Like, usually with heatless curls, you can get a lot of kinking and frizz, and sometimes they just really don't turn out very well, but I'm very impressed with these. Now let me show you the back. So obviously I can't see the back and I don't know what it looks like, but this is it. These curls are definitely a win. Yeah, I'm really pleased with how they turned out, and I really don't know what else to say. They're really good. And like I said, it wasn't uncomfortable to sleep with the robe belt on my head. I don't know what else to say. Please let me know in the comments what you think of these curls, and if you would like to see me experiment with the robe belt and see if we can come up with some other great curls. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you aren't already. I upload new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. And don't forget, when I hit 100 subscribers, I will be doing my first of 3 giveaways. So be sure to subscribe and share this video with all your friends and family to help me get to 100 subscribers so I can just do this giveaway already. I've been anticipating it, and I just really want to give to you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye! Can you get out? Can you get down?